Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online educational channel. Today in our video we are going to discuss the skills needed when using artificial intelligence. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, what are the most important skills that we need as a professionals when using AI? We know that the organizations usually prefer professionals with important skills such as strong computer programming skills, like expert mathematical skills, knowledge of cloud applications, computer languages, excellent communications. Here we will be talking about like technical skills and soft skills, analytical skills, and certifications like machine learning. All of us know that artificial intelligence is the future and has great potential to transform businesses, economies, and societies. Organizations are leveraging AI rapidly for the purpose of building useful, cutting edge applications and services. And this is going to improve the quality of life, to make business operations more efficient, and it's going to reduce complexities. We are going to start with the technical skills. Today, we will hear about domain knowledge. So, knowledge and specializations in artificial intelligence are highly needed. Having a domain knowledge will help in understanding the industry more with risks and challenges. It will also help in developing innovative knowledge, innovative technologies that can address all the challenges. Moving to the programming languages, we should be strong enough in programming languages. Here, I'm going to give you some examples such as Java or Python and C++. They are very crucial for every AI professional in order to be able to work and to manage his work professionally using artificial intelligence. Without forgetting that apart from the programming languages, we must also understand various frameworks and libraries which may help us in writing quality code at a faster speed. And some of the highly useful framework and libraries in AI are TensorFlow, NumPy, Apache Spark, PyTorch, etc. Moving to the mathematical knowledge, we know that the AI professionals work extensively on algorithm and applied mathematics. That's why we should have strong analytical and problem solving skills in addition to the mathematical knowledge, so we can efficiently solve the AI problems. Moreover, if we are going to talk about the mathematical skills such as linear algebra, statistics, probability, graphs, optimizations techniques, so we can use all these skills in order to solve the problem and create algorithm based on the necessary requirements. We cannot also forget the machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence. We will be studying computer-based algorithm capable of learning and improving itself using data and also through experiences. So we know that the machine learning algorithm create models based on a particular data sample. We call it training data in order to make good decisions and good prediction. The knowledge of machine learning is needed in artificial intelligence. It gives like more empowerment. We know that AI empowers the computer or system to behave intelligently. Also, machine learning is a process that teaches the machine to be intelligent and to implement its potential in real-time tasks and problems. It's used in various applications like in computer vision, email filtering, medicine, speech recognition, and more. The deep learning is also a branch of machine learning and data science. It mimics how the humans gain specific knowledge by including predictive analytics and statistics, by leveraging different layers to gain deeper features from sound or image. So the deep learning can automate predictive analytics and its algorithm. Also, each algorithm implements a nonlinear transformation to its input. So using the gain knowledge in creating an output or statistical model. And then it will continue iterating until its output has achieved an accuracy of the accepted level. The neural network architecture. We know that neural networks are a part of deep learning. They are inspired by human brain structure. So we can say that they are a network of artificial neurons that are complex and well developed to process several inputs to produce one output. So the neural network mimic human brain behavior in order to solve complex problems. They will be used for adaptive control, for predictive modeling, regression analysis, data processing, trainable applications. So here in this architecture, the input data goes through various layers of artificial neurons stacked to produce the output. The big data and distributed computing. We know that predictive and data analysis and artificial intelligence involve a large number of data sets, which may need higher computational resources. So using a single system to achieve this kind of computation may not be sufficient. Here, the concept is like big data and distributing computing, which is going to be very helpful. The big data, we talked about it in previous videos, which is a technology involving extracting, managing, and analyzing an enormous amount of data efficiently. The data needs high computation resources and offers excellent statistical power, which may be used in user behavior analysis, predictive analytics, or any other analytical needs involving large data sets. Whereas distributed computing, it's a branch of computer science involving distributed systems whose components are situated on various network computers, coordinating and communicating their actions by exchanging messages. The signal processing techniques. It's another desired skill that organization should look about. The machine learning's involved feature extraction to transform pixel values in some meaningful information. And in order to achieve this, they must know how to solve problems using signal processing techniques, including, for example, time frequency analysis or any other AI concepts. So the signal processing is a subfield of electrical engineering that emphasizes analyzing, synthesizing, and modifying signals like image signals, sound waves, and any other scientific measurements. The shell scripting, which is a computer program run by a command line interpreter called Unix shell. Scripting languages involve various shell script dialects, and we know that some common operations that shell scripts perform are like file manipulation, printing text, and program execution. It's also another vital component of AI used for pattern recognition. When you advance your career in AI, you will get to the point where most AI data processing takes place on Linux based machine. Cluster analysis. It's the task of clustering or grouping objects together. It's done in a way that the objects in a group are more similar to one another than those in another group. So it can be done by algorithms that differ in terms of their components and how efficiently one can find them. Moving to the soft skills, here we will be talking about communication skills, which are always desirable in every profession. The ability to communicate clearly, accurately, communicating your ideas to the others using the proper and suitable tonality and language or body language while delivering your message. Also, the decision making skills, which are highly crucial nowadays. So you should be able to make the right decisions at the right time in order to save your team and the project from any harm and in order to ensure the success of your projects. So AI involve a lot of analytical skills, statistics, and predictions. And also, you should be more able to do what's suitable for the project. Everyone should be involved in the team. Without also forgetting the analytical thinking, which is a must-have soft skill for all AI professionals and every person who's going to use artificial intelligence. So you must be able to understand and feel the problems users might be facing and come up with an effective solution. And finally, creativity, which is a demanding skill that we also are going to use in artificial intelligence. So we must devise unique ideas and think out of the box. Nowadays, uh, we see that creativity is very crucial, it's very demanded, high sought after skill in every field. So we should have it. AI professionals also must come with creative ways in order to solve a problem in an effective way. Thank you for watching my channel.